Last couple days on this project here, and we got a lot to do, but it's raining right now. We didn't have a lot of rain for a couple months there, and now it's just kind of non-stop. So it's coming down pretty good. Hopefully it's going to move out pretty soon. So we're just kind of waiting it out right now. What's up?
New camera?
New camera, yeah. You like it?
That's
Raining.
it is.
It's raining. So what are we doing?
Bad day to be a deck builder.
So what's the plan?
I don't know.
Just waiting in here.
Yeah, we're just here.
You can see it's just raining pretty good out here. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get some van work done. See what the van people are doing. What's up, everybody?
What's up, dog? It's raining.
It is raining.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Checking when it's gonna stop raining.
Oh, okay. What's it say?
It's never gonna stop raining. It's gonna rain for the next 3 days.
Oh, really?
I assume
Yeah, I
that's
know.
why
We got a
you're
leak.
facing me.
We got a leak. We got a leak here. We'll figure that out later. We don't have time for that, but yeah, let's go. We got the dingo here. I just fixed it yesterday. And I drove it off the sidewalk's all lopsided. You gotta stay on the damn sidewalk. You gotta stay on the sidewalk or else it's all, now we're just trying to make sure it doesn't fall over. Why'd he fall off the side? What happened?
He didn't have the boom up, and we were worried about getting this in between and lining this up. I kind of neglected the front wheel, so kind of went off the side that way.
Please stay on the sidewalk with this.
Why?
It almost fell over.
So what happened?
What?
What happened?
It almost fell over.
Isn't it wider than the sidewalk now?
No. It's close. What was that?
Can we just put it in a wheelbarrow?
The dingo?
The boulders.
No, they're heavy as hell.
That's what that's for.
You can try. If anybody can move it, it'd be you.
Right now, it's a bit of a mess. I'm not buying into this.
What, this camera?
What is this for?
More POV.
It's not POV. You gotta turn it around to be POV.
That's actually a good point. Yeah. All right, first thing that we really need to make sure of, tomorrow we have final inspection. Last thing that we really need to do for that is make sure that we have our landings done so that we have a consistent rise on our stairs. So we need to make sure that gets done. And the rest of the little details, if we don't get to it today because of the rain, not a huge deal. We'll tackle it tomorrow, but we want to make sure everything's done for our final.
Like, did he buy different screws?
Yeah, they were
Yeah, they're Phillips heads.
they were like 3/4 inch screws.
Okay.
I think I can find them.
What are you doing?
Me? I don't know. I'm just waiting. We need some more stone back here.
Huh?
We need some more stone back here, so I'm just waiting.
That's cool.
I know.
Did you just send them through, or did you pre-drill?
I pre-drilled the metal.
Okay.
Because I've been having to put bevels on every single one because of the way they lay.
Yeah.
They want to lay like this. So that makes the back bigger than the front. Like, when you go to put it in, the back is tight, but you see a gap in the front. So what I was trying to do is use the metal to prop it up to give me the angle. And it was working until it got to here. And then the saw pinched and it broke the piece off, but I need this piece, so I'm going to square it off and see if it'll still work. I'm doing the underneath of the top. The top got put in over the weekend, so putting in the pieces, they got to be cut and glued. All of them got to be cut like twice. So now I'm squaring this off to where it broke. See if it's usable.
Moving along here. We're gonna need quite a bit of fill dirt here. You can see there's kind of a huge hole in the terrain here, so we're gonna need to bring that up and then decide if we're gonna need to do another step off of here, because you can see it's about 12 inches right now. We need that at 8 or under for it to be comfortable. So I'm gonna get some dirt. We'll start filling this in, and then we'll see kind of where we're at. Alright, well, we just had to load the dingo back up. It's leaking hydraulic fluid again. So not what we need right now, because we need the dingo. So I'm gonna rent one tomorrow just to finish this up. It's gonna need a little bit more serious of some work that I'm gonna have to do when I got some time. So what we're doing now, we gotta wait on a couple more of these boulders now until we get the machine tomorrow. But we had existing landscape lighting here that we need to all reconnect. So I'm gonna go under the deck in here. There's some wires under there. I'm trying to figure out what goes to where. So I'm gonna need, see these lights up here? There's a light there.
Yep.
On that tree. There's one on that tree. Oh, and one on that tree. So I'm just gonna like plug stuff in. You're gonna, oh, and one on that tree. Oh, that's, you know, oh, and there's one over there.
I'm already doing a great job.
Oh, and there's one over there. Oh, there's one over there. Oh my God, there's a whole load of them. That's gotta look magical at night. But not if they're not working. So we need to make sure they're working, okay? Can you handle it?
Yeah, you want me to take this?
I guess, yeah. Just tell me if they're...
Okay, you take it down there and I'll tell you what's on.
Yeah, okay.
What? It's always, how's building the deck going? Never how's the deck builder doing.
I think he's still mad about
That was deep.
the Christmas party where we didn't support him enough.
Or like, the thing is like, it's always how's the woodworking, never how's the woodworker.
How you doing, Tony? You Final steps. We're almost landing. Get it? Because it's a landing at the bottom of the steps. We're almost done. We're almost done. Couple things left to do, and we're gonna be out of here. Last thing that we're gonna do is power wash. So are we pretty much, everything else is pretty much done, right?
This, that electrical stuff.
Yeah, okay. Kathy, here, do you wanna do this? I'm gonna crawl under the deck and hook up that wire.
Yeah.
The wire.
How are we finishing the other landing off?
Oh, you'll see, you'll see. I got a plan for that. Are spam calls up for everybody? They're going totally nuts. Somebody needs to do something about it.
Drones.
It's the drones? Oh God. Hey, has anybody heard about the drones? If you have, leave a comment. They're going nuts in Jersey. I was, but I've kind of lost interest. If they're spying on us or whatever, I've come to terms with it by now. All right, we're all wrapped up here. Let me show you the full tour. We're coming in from this turf area, seamlessly integrated to the rest of our deck, and this small area here, meant as a transition between the deck space and this turf play area. We decided let's make it a little bit bigger, and we can have these hanging chairs here. Really cool visual element and super functional. These are my favorite place to sit, so I love how this turned out. Just smooth walkway down to the lake. We've got a cool landing. Perfect functional space right here to connect these areas. Now we'll go up to the upper deck. The main entertainment area here. You're gonna have a dining table right in the center. We've also got the outdoor kitchen. Perfect functionality here. Not too big, not too small, just perfect for what they're doing. So we've got the grill. They're gonna have a smoker on the side of that as well. We've got the cable railing to look out to the lake. The view is pertinent here, so we wanted to keep that as open as possible, especially out of this slider, just looking right out. And now we've got the lounge, main entertainment space. We've got the recessed TV in the wall, which turned out awesome. Just a simple detail that really tied it all together. Gives it that nice sleek look. We've got the table here. They're gonna have a fire table right in the center. And we've got the bar. A bar area is one of my favorite ways to maximize space. You can see right here, we've got 4 functional seats, and it's not taking up much room at all. So we still have this sectional, and right behind that, we've got kind of a backstop for that. And that also serves as 4 additional seats. And hanging out here, just chilling. Integrated charger. That turned out awesome. I'm super happy about it. We've got the pergola up top, and that's gonna give us that nice dry space. So even if it's raining, they can come out here, they can hang out underneath of the pergola. We've got the power amp system up top, so you can see it's totally clear, just super, super functional, and it's not gonna eliminate the sunlight coming in, which was another big priority for them. So everything comes together really nice here, especially the color palette. We've got the Deckorators Costa, we've got Dark Slate, and we've got Kaya. Ties in really nice with our stained pergola, the clear polycarbonate, everything just super seamless, ties in with that natural look, all natural colors. And then we've got the Adorn stone Denali, kind of picks up some of those darker elements we have with the railing, and our Dark Slate trim. So contrasts it, but still picks up some of that black charcoal kind of color and ties in beautifully. So let's check out the outside of this deck. Nice little landing. We have the dock here, which was existing. We just reskinned it to match the deck so everything ties in. And look at the view from right here. I think this might be a better view than up on the deck looking at the lake. I mean, it just looks awesome, integrates into the house really well. Some really interesting architectural details with the stone on our kitchen going all the way down, kind of mirroring that with our bar just folding right down the front, giving that cool contrast. And then we've got the vertical elements of the hanging chair arch and the pergola. All together, this thing, home run. I love it. It's one of my favorite projects that we've done. Kind of simple, but really, I think we hit the mark here, and they're gonna enjoy it. I'm enjoying it already, and until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.